South Korea is facing an existential crisis that could change the nation's future forever. Birth rates are plummeting to record lows, and experts are raising alarms about what this means for the country's survival. Without significant changes, South Korea could see its population dwindle to dangerously low levels, creating a demographic shift that many are already calling a path to extinction. How did a country once known for its rapid growth and innovation end up here? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on this critical issue. Your engagement helps us bring more important topics like this to light. Now, let's get started. Topic 1. Declining birth rate. South Korea is facing a demographic crisis that threatens its future. Birth rates have fallen dramatically, reflecting a significant shift in the priorities and living conditions of South Koreans. The high cost of living, combined with increasing pressure to achieve professional success, has led many to delay or even forgo the idea of starting a family. Additionally, the lack of effective support policies for parents and the high costs associated with education and housing make raising children a more difficult decision. These combined factors create a scenario where fewer couples are willing to have children, further exacerbating the crisis. As the birth rate continues to decline, the economic impact becomes more pronounced. The shrinking young population leads to a smaller workforce, which could slow economic growth and increase pressure on the social security system. With an aging population and fewer young people to replace retiring workers, the country could face a shortage of skills and a decrease in its ability to innovate and compete globally. This scenario could destabilize South Korea's economy, requiring innovative solutions to mitigate the long-term effects. The lack of a robust workforce could also affect the nation's competitiveness in an increasingly competitive global market. Moreover, South Korea's demographic crisis has significant implications for global geopolitics. The declining population could impact the country's standing on the international stage and its ability to maintain regional influence. The loss of competitiveness and a potential economic slowdown could alter international alliances and partnerships, shifting the balance of power in the region. South Korea's weakening position may open the door for new actors on the international stage, impacting the geopolitical landscape. Let's explore how these demographic changes might shape South Korea's future and what that could mean for the global scene. Topic 2. Aging population. The aging population in South Korea is an alarming issue that's becoming more evident with each passing year. With birth rates declining and life expectancy rising, the country is seeing a growing proportion of elderly citizens compared to its younger population. This creates a significant challenge for the social security system and healthcare services, which will need to cope with a rising number of retirees and individuals with specialized needs. Additionally, the shrinking workforce poses a threat to the country's economy and productivity. As the population ages, the demand for healthcare and support services rises exponentially. Healthcare institutions will have to adapt to meet the growing number of elderly patients, which could strain the system and increase costs for both the government and citizens. The need for specialized services and long-term care could create a significant deficit, especially if the number of healthcare professionals doesn't keep pace with the demand. The impact on the national budget could be substantial, forcing the government to make tough decisions on resource allocation. Furthermore, the demographic shift could have long-term consequences for South Korea's economy and society. The shrinking young workforce could lead to less innovation and slower economic growth. The rising number of retirees may also impact the housing market and consumer spending, as a significant portion of the population will be living on fixed pensions and savings. The aging population is a complex challenge that will require innovative solutions to ensure South Korea can sustain its economic and social development moving forward. Topic 3. Impact on the workforce and economy. South Korea's demographic crisis is having a significant impact on the workforce and the overall economy. The shrinking young population and shortage of skilled workers are creating challenges for businesses and the country's economy. With fewer young people entering the job market, there's a growing difficulty in filling critical roles, which could slow growth and innovation in several sectors. Companies are facing the need to adjust their recruitment and training strategies to cope with the talent shortage, which could drive up operational costs and reduce competitiveness. In addition, the lack of a robust workforce could negatively affect the national economy. The shrinking active population may lead to lower productivity and slower economic growth. With fewer people working and contributing to the economy, the government may struggle to maintain budget balance and fund essential public services. The increasing strain on the social security system and the need for higher spending on benefits for retirees could also pressure public finances, forcing the government to seek new sources of revenue. In the long term, these demographic changes could alter South Korea's role in the global economy. The reduction in the workforce and economic slowdown may affect the country's ability to maintain its regional influence and compete in a rapidly evolving global market. As the country faces these challenges, it will be crucial to adopt innovative policies to stimulate the economy and support an aging workforce. The decisions made now will have a lasting impact on South Korea's ability to adapt and thrive on the global stage. Thank you for watching this video on the demographic factors leading South Korea toward extinction. Today, we explored how the drop in birth rates, the aging population, and the economic implications are shaping the country's future. These changes present significant challenges, but they also open the door for new solutions and adaptations. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us create even more relevant content for you. See you next time!